Hello everyone, it's me, Kyla, and today we're doing an unboxing of the Play-Doh pizza party set and pasta. But today on this video we're only doing pasta, and I'm going to be feeding it to my baby alive Audrey. So I'll be right back, and since I can't really do this all by myself, I'm going to go ahead and show you some of the stuff. So I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, I'm back. So we already did the noodles. So here is my yellow Play-Doh, my white Play-Doh, which we are not going to be using. Because remember how on the video I told you she loves pizza, but she doesn't like it with mushrooms. Brown, red, and green. So we're going to be making Italian pizza, but not too much of Italian. So we have our motors, and here are another motor, the little cutter outer, the pizza thing, which we're not going to be using, of the little roller. And just to let you know, put in the comments down, do you think this looks like the Snack and Sarah roller? Because it does to me. And here is our cheese grater, and I already put the lids off, but here is our pizza thing. So yeah, so let's get this box out of her way. So yeah, so we already did that. So let's get this red Play-Doh out. And sometimes I'm gonna be putting the camera down because I can't do it all in one. So I'm gonna put this camera down. Let's see. Let's get this Play-Doh. Okay, so here's our red one, and we're going to use this thing that came with it, the little box. And we're going to use the little roller. And in my other video, I'll show you that I have two of these, and they look exactly the same. And I've been watching videos of people using the pizza maker, so it looks like I'm going to be the only and first one feeding this to my baby alive. So, yeah. So it's not going to look perfect, Audrey. But it is what it is. So let's cut this piece off and get this piece there. Okay. So now let's get this brown Play-Doh out to make her meat. So let's get this brown Play-Doh out to make her meat. So I have this one. So let's get this motor. And we're going to kind of roll it. I'm sorry that I'm sniffling and stuff, but I'm sick. Which Audrey probably told you in one of my videos. So there it is. But it doesn't really look like it really looks like pepperoni, which it probably is. I think it is. So now let's put that one on her pizza. How many do you want, Audrey? Probably just 2. Okay. And just to let you know, Audrey's 6'2", so her voice is kind of not going to be the same. So there's our second one. Now we're gonna get this green Play-Doh out and get the spearmint on the pizza. Under the danger, out to find you. Okay, you guys, so this is not exactly how I planned it to look, but let's see how it looks. Okay, that's a start. So now let's get Sarah on and feed her delicious spaghetti, which is her favorite, by the way. So let's get this on this bigger bowl. So, oh no, 5-second rule. 5, oh wait. Okay, so let's get her fork. Okay, let's turn you on.
Mommy,
yeah? I know. So let's get this fork.
I can't eat laying down.
5-second rule. Okay, here you go, Sarah. So it's not really easy, so I'm going to have to use my hands. And this, I'm going to have to smush it down. So here you go, Sarah. I mean, sorry. Why did I keep calling you Sarah? Audrey. So let's get Audrey in balance. So, my baby alive,
Mommy,
Audrey, likes to eat in a
Mommy,
way
can't eat laying
when she's like standing up, kind of. Okay, yeah, there we go. So, here you go, Audrey. She's loving her spaghetti. There we go.
Yum.
So now let's give her this.
Mommy, I'm hungry.
So there it is.
I need to be changed.
Already?
I need a stinky.
So yeah, so she's saying she's made a stinky already.
Uh-oh, stinkeroo.
So I'll be back and change her, so yeah. Okay, you guys, so Audrey's ready to eat again. So let's give her this. Her Italian thing. Now let's give her her smushed up. You're welcome. Let's give her her smushed up thing.
Next, please.
Okay, so Audrey's done with that.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So now let's give her this. I don't really think she could eat that, so let's just give her these.
I'd like some juice.
Sorry, we are all out.
I'm hungry.
Here you go. So, here we go, Audrey. So she has a lot of spaghetti to eat. So this is not going as I planned it. So let's change her. So I'll be right back once again.
You're silly.
Okay, you guys, so Audrey's all clean again. So let's feed her her spaghetti. So yeah, this is going very hard for me and Audrey, so I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so Audrey's eating again.
For me?
Yep. So she loves her spaghetti. Here you go, Audrey. Are you okay? I think Audrey's out of batteries. Yeah, you guys, Audrey's out of batteries. So, yeah. But, oh, she's not out of batteries. Okay, I thought she was out of batteries, you guys. Sorry for the misunderstanding, so.
You make the best next.
Yeah. So once you're okay, so she needs to be changed. So she's almost done. So yeah. So tell me if you guys like this video, and thank you for watching. Next time we're going to make her some pizza, but she loved her food. So we're probably going to do it like this. On Tuesdays, Taco Tuesday. On Wednesdays, random. And Mondays, like breakfast and stuff. So yeah. But tell me if you like this video, and thank you for watching. Bye.